Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you to choose this one, Online Video Cutter. If you have found this website, you can open it and you're going to upload your video to this website. You just need to click on open file and you can choose the video you want to remove the watermark from. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. Okay, this one. I'm going to upload this to the website and we can remove the watermark with this feature. You just need to select one or more areas you wish to remove from your video. And I'm going to select this watermark. Okay, then you can click on apply. And then as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. This is the final result. Okay, and if you want to download it, you just need to click on save right here and the video will be saved to your device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.